This for my homies that be grinding all the time, all the time. This for my homies that be grinding all the time.
We are headed to the cave. It's pouring rain and very cold, but it's gonna be so fun. We're at the entrance of the cave. Well, inside the entrance of the cave. We need to get some GoPros and put them on our heads. GoPros. I love how the entire cave is basically lit up with all of our beautiful flashlights. And I got my cool, nice, sweet, swaggy shoes on.
Yeah, I feel like I don't have to try out all the scenes.
Yeah, for real.
Like, usually it's like, shine a flashlight. I don't even have to use the flashlight.
Yeah, for real. You alright? Come on, guys. If you want to go the easy way.
I just think I lost my mind. Your mom was too fine. Fat butt, big tits, I can't make up my mind.
Now, if you guys want water, you bring your own one.
Exactly.
You should have thought of it then, Dad. Should have said, bring some water. Come on.
We get stuff water so I can do shit.
See, if you go down through that hole, it takes you to the water. Waterfall. Chad, don't fall and die. What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck? Alright. Just do that the whole way. Huh? Yeah, but there's nothing that cool up there. Other than a very steep drop, if you guys want to look at it. It's kind of scary, actually. Facts. Honestly, I'm going. Why not? Chad, you in fucking one. Shit, I lost the battery. Uh-oh, totally won't need that. Oh, fuck. Bro, my phone just slapped that shit. Damn. I ain't even worried about me. Imagine if you guys just saw me slide down that.
I would have caught you, Caleb.
It wouldn't have been that bad. We would have heard like, fuck.
Is this the drop we're talking about?
Up here. tonight. Also, I farted. Yeah, and by the way, in caves, farts linger.
Wait, you think it's up more?
I don't know. I'm gonna check just to see. That's why I'm running kind of fast.
I smell water.
Alright. Can I hold it for you? Find me some water. Easy. I'm dead. Already. Oh my fuck, what is that? Don't bother this. Damn! You cricket, man. I'm not fucking bouncing like a bitch. Just making them pops. Hey, me, motherfucker. Alright, are you going starting off over there? Yep. Ooh. Looking beautiful, baby. Looking beautiful. Definitely going somewhere. Yep, this is where we live. He's not wrong. Pat was here. Breathe. Damn. Oh yeah, definitely. Oh yeah, Chad. Easiest. Alright, keep it moving. You're okay. Where we at? That was back to waterway, bro. You wanna get wet? Yeah. Wanna get your butthole soaked? There's an arrow pointing down this way. That would be the way I would go, honestly. I'm just checking the other ways. See if there's anything, but nothing looks interesting. So I'd say it is that way. That's kind of fucking cool. You're okay? Yep, yeah. Anyone want to go first? Reality? I know this is where it gets small. Oh, Jesus. Oh! You remember where we are? They got the rope. I think so. Rope. Oh, I do remember this. Oh, I'm about to go backwards, aren't I? Honestly, backwards is kind of scary. I don't want some monster to grab my head. That's why I'm funny. Yeah. And my camera lens is just gonna be some monster snapping my eyes. You guys are gonna find my camera. See that shit never coming here ever again. Yeah. Damn! Is that a fat penis right there? Probably. It's a deformed looking one with a turd beside it. What? A turd. Nice. It was a very tried penis. Oh yeah. I don't see any water. This isn't even slow start, right? Yeah. You see where I'm going with that? I'm gonna blow this a little. Oh, it's a nice penis. Yeah. We'll be fine, just a little bit. You're a little fucking Jew. Yeah, you're a fucking wiener. Papa sucker. Yeah, I say Jew. Who fucker? Yeah, he was a fucking dirty, nasty Jew. What a bitch. And I can't even fucking fit. A bastard. Keep going, Chad. I don't want to squish you. I just got you, little too. New experience? Run, baby. Pretty slight, right? That is a massive penis. Bag's got a camera on it, too. Holy Jesus! Why is one ball bigger than the other? Yeah, I know, right? That's like fucking, Hey, don't follow. Oh, God, there's a battery. Oh. I hope that was in view. Still probably the skinniest fuck. Man, I got fart, but I'm holding it up for you guys. Please don't. Or come back up here. I'm really having to suck that shit. I don't know which way we're supposed to be going. There's the arrow. Right here. Yeah, the arrow coming down here. I think you go either that way, or you go this way here. It might be this way, because it looks like you can get down this way too. Yeah, that looks like the easier way. I don't know where the fuck is the river, maybe. So don't go that way? Yeah, I'm gonna go this way, but you can't go. There's a ropes right there, so it's safe. Take this around your face if you want. But that says exit. Exit, not the exit. Can you keep going that way? Exit to your right? No, yeah, alright. Nice and fast on this shit. Anyways, yeah, here's more arrows. Does it start opening up? Yeah, alright, let's go. Everyone good so far? Yeah. Bro, what's with all the fucking trash? There's Lunchables, juice boxes, Minute Maid. I made two today. There you go. There's fucking life water in here. It smells like avocados, bro. That's not good. It smells like fucking avocados. Red wheel just passed. You go that way? Jesus. It's like the gas. That's like smells. Oh, watermelon. Water. Oh, literally eat a cucumber. Yeah, I believe so. That's not a cucumber. Just cucumbers are like 98% water. Yeah. Make sure we're stuck. Oh, wait, make sure you get somewhere. You know what's like 80% water? Human. How's it going? What? Girl, I didn't know something back here. What's 80% water? Yeah. Oh my shit. I seem to be stuck. You stuck? I'm stuck. Huh? Yeah, Tris is also out. No, I'm almost out. Are you out of the way? Okay. Here, you want to take the phone? Where's the rope? That's your good. Yeah, can I grab that phone? I'll grab it. You want to see any arrows? Yeah, there's an arrow right there in front of your face pointing down. Cool. Oh, yeah. Does the water taste good, Caleb? I haven't tasted it. Because it's kind of gonna suck it off the roof if you want it. You said it was dripping. Yeah, right there. Yeah, suck it off the roof though. Oh. But we hear water down here, so there's gonna be some water. Why you the one lacking behind, Chad? Because my body's not doing that good right now. You know, I told you that for the past 3 fucking days. Fuck it.
Gay, stinky, retarded, dumb.
Maybe that's the way to that fucking cool ass entrance. And they closed it off because they want to be haters. And they want to save it for themselves.
Maybe.
Does that say LJSS?
Where?
Right there.
Yeah.
Huh.
No, we never did that.
For real?
Yeah.
It says LJSS.
Maybe some random person just saw it and decided to come.
Right? Did y'all seriously not write that?
Uh-uh. We are now headed out from where we are now to go to the waterfall part because it was a dead end. And yeah, we tried every which way we could. Dead end.
Fuck yeah.
Dead end. Chad struck one way back there.
Chad, get the fuck up here.
Man, need some water. Some H2O.
Bro.
Alright, we're on the way back now. Almost to the... We're going to go to waterfall way now, so...
Look at the wounded animal laying there, coughing. Just dying.
This right here, I call it the Earth's vagina.
That's the Grand Canyon.
Earth bag.
And once you start tickling it and you get farther and farther in, as you're tickling it and rubbing up all against it, you start to make the Earth fucking horny as shit. And that's why you see waterfalls, fucking tunnels flowing with water all down in there and shit, or whatever.
Yeah.
Hey, Chad.
You come.
Chad.
Be
Water.
safe though.
Chad. Hey, let me hand some water. I'll die.
Smell it before you drink it.
Smell like water.
Jesus fucking Christ. Chad, you gotta become monkey now.
You okay?
I feel a lot better.
Now we're deep down in this bitch. He's stepping on it. Oh wait, actually this is the way left. I always mistake that part right there, and then I realize. Yeah. This is where that dirty, stinky phone was at once.
The what?
The melody that was growing right there.
Oh yeah.
It's not there no more. Oh, this is the easy road.
Easy real far. Can you get closer to that? Think I pass back? And then finish again once I get there?
What?
Fine. You get to climb without the phone over here. Kind of like a seat. You guys like my seat?
Jack, you're retarded.
Just a YouTube video.
It's all right, I'm still gonna just leave my mouth out with it.
No, no, no. I think I've only had French toast in there. French toast with chicken breast. Oh, I'm talking about.
Nice.
And then some candy. Okay,
We're not kids.
we go down this hole. There.
There, it's literally, you go down the rope, then down that rope, and then you are water everywhere. Literally, it's straight down this rope.
Literally said it's right down there fucking 30 minutes ago.
You gonna come, Chad?
I'm gonna wait for Chad. Oh shit, I hear a fuck ton of water. That's what I'm saying.
Storm.